All right, what is up, tycoons? What's up, traders? Super excited for today's video. We have to talk right now immediately about Top. Okay, ticker symbol TOP. This stock, it closed at $20 today, which is right around the volume wall. This stock is extremely fishy to me. Now we're gonna look, and if we actually take a look and go down to the 1 hour chart, we can see this stock, guys, is up to $200. This stock was literally just $4. We're going to go over the news, why it's trading like this, why it's pumping now currently. There is a big catalyst that just happened. And then we're also going to go over the volume profile and take a look at the volume. And you'll see that there's some fishy things going on here. So make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. And starting off here, we're going to look at the weekly volume profile. That's what this is over here. So most people are familiar with volume by time, which is what you typically look at, right? Now this over here, this is actually volume by price. So it shows you the amount of volume. The larger or the more extended this is to the right, the higher the amount of volume. So we can see that essentially, the volume wall is right around here, around $25, which is roughly the peak that it hit during trading hours today. Ended up closing right at $20, right in here in this high volume range. And there was this wall of volume, right? So there's, very, very little volume up above these levels, up above $25, which is why the stock wasn't able to go to that level. And if we zoom in here on the 1 hour chart, we can see this thing is just massively pumping, guys, just insane. I mean, since market has closed, this stock just in the after hours alone has gone up 895% when it hit highs of 200. This thing honestly could keep pumping more, but I want you guys to be very, very cautious because look at the volume that's coming in. Remember, this is all happening after hours, and it's still pumping right now as I'm making the video. And take a look at the volume profile, guys. There's no volume, absolutely none going on at all right now. So I just want people to be very cautious. If you try to hop in this thing, just know that it seems like it's very easily manipulated, and it's not being manipulated by tons of volume in the area. And you could just get trapped, right? So just be very cautious with that. Okay, don't FOMO into this thing. If we go into the news now, we'll go ahead and read that. But essentially what happened is that the stock is trading higher, okay, on an article in China CNA dated April 25th titled "The Zhongyang Financial Group's Additional Issuance Was Approved by the US SEC." And so, that has a lot of, attention right now, and it's causing this massive, massive move. It is what I would say is kind of like the catalyst driving behind this. This is the top financial group stock. And I mean, look, it just hit 210. This thing is still pumping right now. And keep in mind too that this is also in the after hours trading session, not even just the regular trading session. If we go from today's low, right, all the way up to the high, that's over 3,487%. And my fear is that just a lot of people could get wiped out trying to buy into this on Friday or into the next week. So just be very cautious because there's really no support to the downside. We haven't really established that. Yes, this thing could keep pumping, but this is how a lot of people lose a lot of money, is just chasing these really, really big bags that they see and not really understanding volume by price and volume by time and different things like that. Again, we look at the weekly chart. I mean, just look at the all-time highs for this stock is $50.97. So this thing is trading up at the $200 region. It has no, structure basically, below that level. Okay. So if this thing was to crash, right? The last place that it really traded, was $50.97 was the highest that it went. So this thing could come crashing all the way back down, and really trap a lot of people. And, it could come down and test the $50.97 region. I really wouldn't be surprised by that. This stock was also halted multiple times today in the trading session, which is always fishy to me when they start halting certain stocks. Why do they halt this stock when it's going up massively? But then when First Republic was tanking, going down 50 something plus percent, they let that thing just tank, right? So it's weird to me how market makers pick and choose what stocks they want to halt and what stocks they don't want to halt. And this one got halted multiple times, and then now we're seeing it just completely explode thousands and thousands of percent within a single day. Definitely smells of manipulation to me. So just wanted to give you guys an update. We pretty much had to talk about this. You're going to see this stock all over the news here soon if you haven't already seen it.